Ambrose Electric was formed in 1980, and I purchased it in 2013.
We were not contractors. We had a customer service focused background. We figured if we could come in and run a contracting business with a focus on customer service, that would kind of differentiate us from other companies.
What attracted me was that in addition to being an electrical contractor, they also sold generators, and they were a Generac dealer.
He really had the vision of generators are going to be the wave of the future, and we have been the nation's #1 rated Generac dealer for the last 10 years.
Ambrose is our 5th partnership. While specific geographies are amazing things to go after, for me it's much more important to find the heart of a founder and the team that he or she's built.
If you want to take your business to the next level, you want to ensure longevity. Aligning with a larger partner that can support you makes all kinds of sense.
We weren't necessarily looking to get in the Northeast, but once you meet Mike and Bob and find out what they're about, it's absolutely what we want in a partner. They treat their customers right. This really solid group of employees that have followed these guys match exactly what we're looking for.
We've grown something and we wanted to keep going. I see Ambrose growing locally, becoming even more of a dominant player in the generator market, and then expanding out even further than that. Ambrose has some amount of credibility and experience, and when you back that up with Canter and Generacs and Graston and Midwest, it's kind of a no-brainer. And as Brian says, we're just getting started.